Hey guys, this is the author and illustrator Amit Offir, and today I want to show you in a short video how to draw a bird in a few steps and a couple of seconds. Okay, so anyone can do it, and we start with the round eyes. Alright, we draw the eyeballs in the middle. You can draw its beak like that. After that I draw its body. I add the tail and the wing, and after that I put the legs. Now I can draw its environment, and look how cute I can make it if I just change a little bit here and here. Look what a cute story I can make with just a few lines. You don't have to be an artist for that. Yeah, anyone can do it. And if you like it, you can have more tips and more instructions in my best-selling book, How to Draw Birds. I will leave you the link below, so enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching, and tell everyone bye bye.